this is something that a lot of people ask me. Do I need to do everything every day? One. Or the other opposite is people who say that I'll do quants in the first 3 months and then I'll go to verbal. So please don't make both these mistakes. Trying to do everything every day is a mistake. Reason why I call it a mistake is because when you start preparing and let's say you have 4 to 5 hours of CAT prep time on a daily basis, that's quite enough by the way. तो अगर तुम्हारे पास उतना टाइम है, suppose today when you started sitting for something and you kept a target that you have to do quants also, DI also, LR also and verbal also. So what happens is, suppose you get into quants and you're having high quality study session in quants during the day today. And the first 2-3 hours went very high quality on quants and you feel that if you continue the quants, the output will be strong. तो अगर तुम्हारे पास एक imperative होगा कि आज सब कुछ करना है इसलिए अब छोड़ देते हैं quants को, तो what you do is you break a very strong study session which you should not do. Right? So you have to balance everything. In your preparation you have to balance everything. It's very important. You have to balance your QA preparation, you have to balance your DI preparation, you have to balance your LR preparation and you have to balance your VARC preparation, but it has to be balanced on a week to week basis. So at the end of every week you have to have some answers to what did I do for QA, what did I do for DI, what did I do for logical reasoning and what did I do for verbal and comprehension this week. And if there are no answers for any one of these, that means your balance is falling off.